Okay everyone, we are here with 8th problem of our 4 exercise. Let's just copy that. I ask you and tell you again, please, before going to see and continue watching the video, pause the video and try to solve this question by yourself. After reading the question, it makes you be stronger, and don't use AI on that. We are going to use it more and more when the course going continue forward, but now just try to solve it by yourself. Okay, exercise 8, removing duplicates. Write in Python program that remove duplicate from the list. Please pause the video and go and try to solve this question by yourself. And after that, continue watching the video. Let's continue. Here we want to write the code that remove the duplicates. Let's say we have a list here, and in the list we have 2 1, 2 3, 2 5, and 2a and 1b. Okay, this is our list. We want to write a code that remove the duplicates. How we can do that? We say for x in range, for x in list. We learned from the previous lesson that we have a comment that name list.count that count the presence of the item in a list, and we equal it to n, and say if the list count is equal to n, let's print x n. Let's print it and see how it's given. It's giving us the duplicate list numbers. So what we are going to do, we are going to delete the duplicate items from the list. Some of you may say it's easily. We write a if here. If n is bigger than 1, list dot remove n x. But if you watch our first video, you understand by now this comment and function have some problem. Let us see the list here. What is the problem? You maybe say no problem happened here, but let me make things a little harder for you. Let me put a 1 here and then run the list here. Another time, no problem happened here. Let me put a 2 here. Sorry, I don't know what I do. Okay. You see, no problem is happening here. Why is no problem happening here? Let me just print x for you here to see. Print x. First time is go for 1. And then after seeing we have 2 or 3 ones, it delete the first one. And then go for this one, and if it's see that we have 2 ones, it delete this one too. And then go to this 2 and delete it to 2. Then go do this 3 and delete this 3 too. The code is functioning well and it don't have any problems, because this is the way you can solve this question. But sometimes you may be asked, what happened if the list, for example, we are deleting here. What happened if we are deleting here, deleting this one, and it's go from this one to this one? You may be asked sometimes it's not right. It's important whenever you think that something is not wrong and it's not working, whenever you are writing a complicated code, something not working and maybe have some loops on it, don't forget to change it. But here it's working and we are okay with it. But we have many other ways for solving it better. And if you find that, don't forget to tell us in the comments. And this is the end of this lesson. Until the next lesson, don't forget to train and ask me if you have any question in the comments. And please like and subscribe. Until the next lesson tomorrow.